Good morning. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about related facts, related addition and subtraction. So remember a while ago when we did fact families, we learned that with addition, we have baby bear plus baby bear equals mama bear. And in subtraction, it's mama bear minus baby bear equals baby bear, right? So if, for example, I had the number 10, so baby bear 10 and baby bear 5, that equals mama bear 15, right? But if I have subtraction, we're going to start with mama bear. So it's mama bear minus baby bear equals baby bear. So if we look, they're related because we're using the same numbers for both equations, for both number sentences. So if I know one, I'm going to know how to do the other. Today for math, you're going to be in your math book, volume 1, page 491. 491. Page 491. Go ahead and find that. If you need to pause, go ahead and pause for me and then come back when you're ready, okay? So on page 491, it says related addition and subtraction tens. So now we're going to be adding by tens. So for example, this is addition, so I know it's going to be baby bear plus baby bear equals mama bear, right? And my subtraction is going to be mama bear. Mama bear always comes first in subtraction. She comes at the end in addition, and she always comes first in subtraction. So mama bear minus baby bear equals baby bear, right? It could be either baby bear. It doesn't matter which baby bear we're using. So if I know that 50 plus 30, what does that equal? I can do this two easy ways. I can draw myself a picture like 10, because I know that this bar represents 10, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, plus 30 more. 10, 20, 30. Now all together, because this is addition, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So that's a mama bear of 80. Another way I could have done this was add my tens value. So 5 plus 3 equals 8, and then I just bring the 0 over, and that gives me 80. Now, this is a related addition subtraction, so I'm going to use the same numbers. It's baby bear equals mama bear. Remember, in subtraction, mama bear always comes first in subtraction. So we're going to do mama bear minus baby bear equals baby bear. So it's 50 plus 30 equals 80. 80 minus 50 equals 30. Okay, let's turn the page to 492. Okay, page 492. 492. So let's turn the page. Page 492. So I have addition. Please, please, please make sure you pay attention to what symbol it's using. Sometimes it's going to be addition, sometimes it's going to be subtraction. You got to keep an eye out. So in addition, it's baby bear plus baby bear equals mama bear. In subtraction, it's mama bear minus baby bear equals baby bear, right? So what's missing? I think it's easier if we start with the subtraction first in this one, because if I can solve this one, then I can figure out what's missing in my addition. So I'm going to start with subtraction, 30 minus 10. Now remember that's subtraction, so it's going to say, 30, 10, 20, 30, minus 10. Minus means take away. Minus 10. How many are left? 10, 20 are left. Okay, so if I know this is part mama bear, which part is missing here? I'm missing a 20. Okay, sorry, my marker's running out a little bit. That's 20. So 10 plus 20 equals 30. 30 minus 10 equals 20. Let's try number 2. 30 plus blank equals 60. 60 minus 30 equals blank. So we're going to solve for this unknown first. What is our answer? We're going to start with subtraction. 60. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 60 minus 30. 10, 20, 30. I'm left with 10, 20. Some of you would have noticed that that's a double too. 30 plus what equals 60? 3 plus what equals 60? So if I know that 60 minus 30 equals 20, I also know that 30 plus 20 equals 60, because these are related addition and subtraction sentences. Okay, let's try the next one. 40 plus blank equals 50. 50 minus 40 equals blank. It's easier for me to find the answer than to find the unknown. So I'm going to start with the subtraction. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 minus 40. So please, please, please remember that minus means take away. Minus 10, 20, 30, 40. How many are left? 10 is left. So if I know that this equals 10, I know that that's my missing part, 10. So 40 plus 10 equals 50. 50 minus 40 equals 10. Okay, so now you're going to do number 4 on your own, and we're going to jump over to number 5. So you do number 4 on your own. Number 5 is different because they completely left our addition number sentence blank. So first we're going to solve for the subtraction, and then we can use these numbers to make our addition number sentence. So 80 minus 50, there's 2 ways that I can do this. I could look at 8 minus 5, and I know that that is 3, and then I bring the 0 over. So it gives me 30. Or I can draw a picture, 80. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Minus 50, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm left with 10, 20, 30, just like that. So I know that I have 80 and 50 and 30. So now I'm going to use this. So remember, in subtraction, it's mama bear minus baby bear equals baby bear. And in addition, it's baby bear plus baby bear equals mama bear. So these two, it doesn't matter what order I put them. I could do 30 plus 50, but they have to equal 80. Mama bear has to go at the end. In subtraction, she goes in the front. In addition, she goes at the end. Okay? Let's look at number 6. 90 minus 70. So again, there's 2 ways. You can do 9 minus 7 and then bring the 0, or you can draw your picture. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Minus 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. How many are left? I see 10, 20. So 90 minus 70 equals 20. So now I'm going to use these three numbers to make my addition number sentence. Remember, Mama Bear always comes at the front in subtraction, and she always comes at the end in addition. So Mama Bear needs to come over here. And then we have the two baby bears, our two parts, and it doesn't matter where they go in addition, right? It doesn't matter which one comes first. So we could do 70 plus 20 equals 90. And we can check by saying, okay, 7 plus 2 equals 9, and then we bring our zeros. That is correct. So remember, you still have to do number 4, and then we're just going to do about 1 or 2 more. Turn to page 493. 493. Uh-oh. Okay, on page 493, you are going to do 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Do not do 13, 14, 15, and 16. You're going to work on those tomorrow. So I'm only going to do one more here with you. Let's do number 7. So number 7 says 50 plus blank equals 70. 70 minus 50 equals what? So these two are going to be the same, right? So we have part plus part equals whole. Whole minus part equals part. So we know that these two are the missing parts. I'm going to do my subtraction first because for me, it's easier to find the answer than to find a missing part in between. But you can look at that missing part and say, okay, 50 plus what is going to equal 70? 5 plus what equals 7? Okay. But I'm going to start with my subtraction, and I'm going to do, okay, 70. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 minus 50. So minus means I'm going to take away. Minus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That leaves me 2 bars, which is 10, 20. So I know that 70 minus 50 equals 20. And because this is the same part that's missing, I also know that 50 plus 20 equals 70. Okay? So you are going to do 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And you're also going to do number 4 on the other side. Alrighty?